Pag nag-uusap naman kami, talagang kita mo talaga rin yung kanilang desire to really learn fast. Pero alam mo, napakabilis din nung sitwasyon kasi at
Oo.
ang malaking pressure dito, Karen, is the expectation.
Yeah.
Expectation ng tao na, o bakit wala pang nakukulong? Hindi nila kuminsan naiintindihan na may proseso. Na akala mo pag final mo na sa ombudsman, meron na dapat makulong. O kaya on orders of ICI, dapat makulong na. Yun ang
Oo.
hindi ko minsan naiintindihan eh. Yung isa rin yun sa mga pressure sa ICI.
Oo. Okay. Now, do you believe, if I were to ask you before we go to a quick break, if you were to make a suggestion who the ICI should call, because they've already called the former speaker, and I know they've called Budget Secretary Pangandaman, pero who else should they call?
Ah,
You've mentioned some congressmen. I found that interesting.
yan.
That's true. Because nakalimutan yun, ha? Nakalimutan lahat yung mga taong yun.
So far so good, sabi nga nila hindi kami napapansin eh. Pero dapat sila pansinin na eh. Kasi sila yung nasa inner circle eh. Sila naman nakakaalam eh.
Mm, mm,
Ah, Oo nga, malaking bagay talaga si Congressman Toby as a resource person din. Malaking bagay din yung talagang naipamahagi niya sa amin.
mm, mm,
Um, Siguro yung mga nabanggit kong tao na yun, pwedeng balikan yung mga yon. Pati yun, yung sipon yung Gabonada, isa rin yan, sa may alam yan. Pero
mm,
syempre, complete denial din yan.
mm,
Marami pa eh, marami pang dapat tawagin na Juan, Karen, na nakakaalam talaga yung mga, kumbaga, mga
mm.
unwritten laws, unwritten something dyan sa loob ng Kongreso. Eh. Kasi ang daming scheme, ang daming permutations dyan eh.
So Mayor Magalong, one of the resource persons that the ICI is calling for is Zaldico, but he is abroad. He was the chair